So we made it to a rest stop, and then we also stopped and got some snacks. There's the view. Here's the chef. What's your name? Carol. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
And then we were off to Vigan, which was around a 6-hour drive.
We made it 8 hours driving from Buscalan, and now we're in Vigan. We're walking to a restaurant right now for dinner. So look. And it is 81 degrees. We're sitting waiting for our food. We are at Cafe Leona. It's a little bit warm, but I could take it. How do you feel? You okay?
Yes.
You okay, Tito? I'm good. Oh, here.
Oh, look at that.
Here we go. Bartender.
Hello. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog.
Here we were getting ice cream, or in Tagalog, sorbetes from Mamang Sorbetero, which was incredibly cheap.
Avocado.
Around 40 pesos or less than $1. Here we're having a nice and peaceful breakfast before exploring Vigan, which is known for its Spanish colonial architecture and its Callesas, which are horse-drawn carriages.
$1,000. Wait, how many?
Tinubong po, ma'am.
Tinubong?
Yes, rice cake, labang.
Rice, butter, and sugar. What is this?
Bagnet po.
Bagnet, and it's pork?
Yes po, sir. 560 po, isang kilo po.
Which one are you looking for?
Yeah, there's a white there's.
Oh, the white.
Yeah.
When it's colder, it's better?
Yes, better, and then make it crispy.
I still like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Longanisa. This is more pork.
Longanisa vegan po.
And here's some drone footage of the famous Calle Crisologo, which is a popular cobblestone street here in Vigan. And during our 7-hour drive back to Pampanga, we took a quick pit stop for some food and drink.
We're here at La Union.
La Union is a coastal town famous for its surf spots and nightlife, but offers more activities that you can do if you decide to stay here.
Lychee mojito.
And after this, we were back on the road for about 5 hours. I'd like to thank our drivers and guides, Lem and Jarek of Bahaghari Tours. They organized this whole private group trip and gave us a great price. They are so knowledgeable, accommodating, and most importantly, entertaining. All of their links are going to be down below so you can see what they have to offer and so that you can book with them. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share this with somebody who you think might enjoy this too. I'll see you in the next one.